Well, good day everybody, and welcome to another unboxing, test, and review video of yet another REDODO battery. They've come up with a new design. This one is a Bluetooth battery with a few other features. Let's get it unboxed and check it out. Got your handy little folder of manuals and quick start guides, long-term storage guide, a whole bunch of great information that they include with their batteries, all in this handy little waterproof envelope here. So set that aside, make sure you don't lose it. Bolts for the battery are in the top piece of foam here, and a little slot. Make sure not to lose those. Alright, there we are. We got the Marine Smart Battery. Bluetooth connected. You can keep an eye on your battery charge, your discharge, your cycles. Seems like a really handy option. It's not only Bluetooth, but it also has the low temperature cutoff protection to make sure you're not charging or discharging in below freezing temperatures. Got your QR code for the app to put on your phone. And just as a side note, these also come in a group size 24 battery, which is a little more compact. Same size battery, 100 amp hours still. Just know you have the option to get these in a more compact group 24 size. Let's get these bolts in before I lose them. This battery has Bluetooth 5.0 to keep tabs on your battery's remaining capacity, cycle count, voltage, its current, and more with the REDODO app. And with remote control, you can easily manage discharge and powering on and off the battery. It's got the low temperature cutoff protection, stops charging below 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius to protect the battery and extend its life. This battery has an upgraded BMS, which provides over 20 protections with enhanced resistance to moisture, dust, and salt spray for reliable performance in humid environments. Okay, that is indeed turned off. Pretty neat the battery can shut itself off like that. For storage or shipping, or if you just want to shut down your systems, you can do that all by Bluetooth now. Very cool. Alright, we got the 40 amp REDODO battery charger hooked up. Let's wake up this battery. Alright, just woke it up, 11, we're at 13.1 volts. Let's go ahead and get this app on the phone. Doop. REDODO power! There it is, REDODO app, so we'll go ahead and install that. Alright, got that battery fully charged. Go ahead and see how this Bluetooth works. Let's go ahead and make an account real quick. Okay, that was a pretty quick and painless setup process there. Just had to give them your email and confirm it. Set up a password. So go ahead and open. No devices yet. Alright, we're into the app. Okay, to add a device, you can tap add a device. You get the plus symbol up there. Looks like you can add via Bluetooth or the QR code, which is on top of the battery here. Bluetooth QR code. Let's just try adding it Bluetooth. Let's give it some permissions here. Oh, and there's our battery. Device info. So there's our battery charge. We're at 99%. Currently using 0 watts, 0 amps. Volts are sitting at 13.3 volts. I love that you can see the battery voltage without hooking up a multimeter. That is really awesome. You can see the capacity, 100 amp hours. Yep. Balanced. All cells are balanced. That is awesome. So you use this app to look at the condition of your battery and whether or not the cells are balanced. Battery cells are in optimal condition. The BMS is working normally as well. That's awesome. So you can go through and check up on a few different systems there. The battery management system is pretty important. Really, really cool that you can access all that information. So battery info, it has the serial number, it has the device name. I don't know why the lettering is so hard to read. It's like, it's white lettering on light gray background. It's, hope that gets updated at some point, because that's really hard to read. It's really cool here. You can see the temperature. That's awesome. We're at 60.8 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm sure you can't read that. Cycle life, we're at 0 cycles. That is really cool too. You can see the age of the battery and how many cycles it's gone through. Device controls. Discharge function. Before turning off the discharge function, remove. Discharge function is on. Oh, does that just mean battery output? Let's see here. We got a little test to do. Let's see what this does. Okay, awesome. Ha! That's really cool. So discharge function is actually just the output power. That is freaking neat. You can control remote lighting or anything you want with that. I love that. So battery on and off. You can remove the device off the app, and then you could turn off the device. So that's like battery output on and off. "10 seconds to shut down." That's pretty dang awesome. Cannot turn off. Oh, that killed the Bluetooth too. So that shuts the whole shebang down. Gives you a readout from our last output. We were using 150 watts, 11 amps. 11.4. We're down to 13.2 volts. I love this. This is so cool to get all this information. Yeah, so, okay. Device controls. So discharge function, that's like the output, and you can flip things on and off with that. And then to turn off the battery, that's like a whole complete shutdown. Turns off the Bluetooth and everything. You probably want to do that for storage or shipping. To turn it back on, it says right here how to turn on. Charge the device to turn it on. Cool, so if you go to put your RV into storage or something, you can disconnect your charge controller, go into this app, shut down your battery, or batteries. You can control your whole bank with this app. If you got like 6 of these batteries, you can see them all in your list, see the condition of them, turn them on and off. That is really, really cool. I like the Bluetooth battery. Really awesome deal. REDODO Marine Smart Battery. They also come in the Group 24 size if you need a more compact battery. Be sure to check them out. Links below. I got a lithium charger here. It's not the REDODO, but let's see if this will wake it back up. Set it to lithium. All right, inverter woke up. So that must be all I need. Just a little charge there. Yep, batteries woke back up. Freaking awesome, I love it. See, Bluetooth on. I love the live readout, that is so awesome. So we're discharging, and we got 9 hours and 30 minutes left at 138 watts. 10 amps, 10 and a half amps, about 13.2 volts. Shut her down. Alright, you guys, REDODO, come check them out here at redodopower.com. They have a battery type for all your needs. Alright, here's your 100 amp hour Group 31 Bluetooth battery. Here's also a 100 amp hour Group 24 Bluetooth battery. That is a smaller package, but still 100 amp hours. Trolling batteries, cranking batteries. That is awesome. They're finally making cranking batteries for your car now. 650 cold cranking amps. That is awesome. I'd like to get one of those for my truck and patches. I was hoping they would start coming out with those soon. 50 amp hour Bluetooth, 300 amp hour 12 volt. Got dual purpose batteries here. Outboard motor batteries, you got, if you live in Alaska, you'll want to get yourself one of these heating batteries that they self-heat when the temperature gets below freezing so that they can keep functioning even in very cold temperatures. And then you got your bigger batteries down here, 12 volts, 410 amp hour, 200 amp hour low temp, you got 280 low temp, 200 plus. Lots of options here. You guys be sure to check them out. I do really like these 100 amp hour Bluetooths. If I had an off-grid property, I would have a bank of these just so I could read the information from my phone and keep an eye on stuff. Keep an eye on my charge. Awesome design here. I love that they did this. The next gen power pack, real-time monitoring, no more power anxiety. Bluetooth 5.0, keep tabs on your battery's remaining capacity, cycle count, voltage, current, and more with the REDODO app. Easily managed discharge and power off. Low temperature cutoff protection. Stops charging below 0 degrees Celsius to protect the battery and extend its life. Upgraded BMS with over 20 protections to enhance resistance to moisture, dust, and salt spray for reliable performance. Auto overload protection. Recovers without user intervention. High quality cells with over 4,000 cycles. 1280 watt large output. These lithium batteries have twice the capacity of a lead acid battery and at only 39% of the weight. They also have a lot of other accessories like battery monitors, pure sine wave inverters, MPPT charge controllers. They got their battery chargers. Awesome deals over here at REDODO. Come check them out.